Hey guys, welcome to Math Channel. We have 11 minus 1 times 11 minus 1 in parentheses. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's start to solve this math expression. 11 minus 1 equals 10. Now 11 minus 1 equals 10. Now 10 times 10 gives us 100, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. Now, according to this rule, in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve with first, not this multiplication and this subtraction. If we do this multiplication and this subtraction first, it is wrong. Now, we have to start with this parenthesis. 11 minus 1 equals 10. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 11 minus 1, and we have one multiplication here and 10. Now, in next step, we have one multiplication and one subtraction. And as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and higher priority than addition and subtraction. So, we have to start with this multiplication, not this subtraction. 1 times 10 equals 10. Now, in next step and in step, we have 11 minus 10. So, our final answer is 1. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.